I feel tired. I can only 1 hour, 1 minute, but 2 minutes I can't do it already. So very, it's so pain in the feet and in my legs is pain. So I can't do it. 5 minutes. 2 minutes is very 1 minute is very hard. Put camera to your feet. Ayan, thank you so much for the 128 viewers. Hello, good evening. I feel sleepy now, mga langga. 128. I think Tobias is from Europe. Are you from Europe, Tobias? Where are you in Europe? Where are you in Europe, Tobias? That is ads. Yeah, please tell me, where are you in Europe? Because your money is euro, not dollar. That is euro. What country are you from? Where are you? What country are you from? That is euro, right? Ah, Poland. So that's why. But you're still young. That's the money in Poland is euro also. In Poland, yes. Oh, I feel sleepy. 1.99 euro is $2.17. Mahal yan. Yumi, Dixia, Kom, Tinsao, Tension, Agora. What is this? You understand this? What country are you from, Gidival Calexto? I can't understand your language. Why? Oh, why? I feel sleepy. Can you please translate your language in English so that I can understand? I am from Philippines. I am Filipina. This is the one. Hello, Aus, Germany. What do you mean by Aus? Yeah, thank you so much for the 129 viewers. Hello, good evening, good evening, good evening. Welcome to my live stream. Please comment mga lalabs ko. You want to up my feet for 5 minutes? 1 minute is very hard for me. What more, the 2 minutes and 5 minutes? Oh my goodness. Yeah, I feel sleepy. Who want to sleep with me? I feel sleepy already. Who want to sleep with me right now? Let's sleep, let's sleep, let's sleep, let's sleep, let's sleep, let's sleep.